So the first thing I had to get was chorizo because I don't eat meat. I actually don't even eat soy right now because soy, dairy, all that stuff is jacking my face up. But when I make chili, I either put like no meat at all, or chorizo, and I kind of just want to stick to what I normally do so it can taste good. So here's the chili that my line sister made. I also was making chili, as you remember from our previous shot, but it just didn't work out. So this is our chili. Chips for the chili. What we ended up with: Asian salad, chicken, chili, and fixings for the chili. And here are our drinks. Okay, so I've been to work, grocery shopping by myself, grocery shopping with my line sister, preparing the meal, having the meeting, and I am tired, but done. It was done well. We got lots of compliments. Everybody said they really liked my line sister's chili. And it's over, and I'm gonna go home and go to bed.